Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Discord token. It's crucial to understand that directly accessing your user token carries significant security risks. Your token acts like a digital key, granting full access to your Discord account, much like your password. Therefore, sharing it or exposing it can compromise your entire account. This process is generally for advanced users or specific development needs, and extreme caution is advised. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Discord website. Once there, you'll need to access your browser's developer tools. You can typically do this by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard, or by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect or Inspect Element. Within the Developer Tools panel, locate and click on the Application tab. Then, on the left-hand side, expand the Local Storage section. Now that you're in the Local Storage section, you'll see a list of website URLs. Click on the entry that corresponds to Discord, usually something like https://discord.com. This action will display various stored items. Look for an item with the key named token. The long string of characters associated with this token key is your Discord user token. Copy this value carefully, remembering its sensitive nature. It is absolutely vital that you never share your Discord user token with anyone. Doing so is equivalent to giving them your password and full control over your account. For bot development, Discord's official API terms of service strongly discourage using user tokens. Instead, always create and use dedicated bot tokens, which are specifically designed for automation and offer a much more secure way to interact with the Discord API. Protect your account by keeping your token private.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.